Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, welcome back. How are you all? So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to make homemade kunafa. It's a very delicious recipe. So let's start. For this we're gonna use about 2 packets of vermicelli or sevaya. In other ways you call it sevaya or vermicelli. So here I'm using roasted ones. If you have the normal non-roasted ones you can use that too. Some people say that they have a special dough for this to make, but you can use normal vermicelli to make this and it's very delicious. We just need to empty it in a mixing bowl and then just mix it all up, like crunch it all up. Then after doing that we're gonna add butter. You can use salted butter. I'm here using unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons. So after adding the butter, we're just gonna mix it all up by using our hands. Just crunch it all up. And then set the sevaya aside. So now's the time for making the kunafa filling. For that we're gonna use about half or nearly 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk. I'm using light milk or fresh milk. Then after that add 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can use granulated sugar. Measure it well and add it to the milk and then mix it well. After that, we're going to do is take 1/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. Then mix it all up. So as you can see, this is the corn flour and some milk, 1/4 cup of milk, and just mix it all up. Then add it to the boiling milk. Just add it and keep mixing it while adding it to the milk. We're gonna add that, then mix it well. Then finally we're going to add the cheese. You can add mascarpone cheese or Philadelphia, but I would recommend to add the mascarpone cheese because it's way much better. But here I'm using Philadelphia original, about 100 grams. Okay, now's the time for making the sugar syrup, and I have the sugar syrup already made, but here's the simple recipe. Just take some half cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar and some gavra essence or rose essence, whatever you like. Just add it to the sugar syrup and then bring it to a boil. And there we go, your sugar syrup is ready. So now's the time for layering the kunafa, and first we're gonna add the sevaya, but not the whole sevaya, just take half of it and spread it around. and save some for the rest. And then add the cream mixture. After adding that, add the rest of the sevaya and then the sugar syrup and just bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. You can see the results. It's beautifully cooked and it's so crunchy, it's crispy sevayas. And don't forget to add the sugar syrup. Add it generously because that's the sweet, it gives the sweetness to the sevayas. And then now's the time for serving. So as you can see the layers. Finally, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if new to the channel, please subscribe, give a like to this video and share it with your friends and families. So till then everyone, take care, stay safe, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.